Wow, we are turning a lot. That's like 30 at least degrees. Ah, that hot sun.
No, it looks cool. Oh my god.
That's a pretty island. Whoa! This pilot is Air Force pilot. Pretty full island. Wow. Such a cool island. 90 degrees today. Is that a fire? Oh. Look at those cacti.
We're on top of Twitter and better bad, so.
Pretty good. But they drive on the right side. Alright. Wow, that's sweet. Sweet man. Sweet.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Aruba, where the local time is approximately 2:45. There is 1 hour time change here. Please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened and carry-on items stored until the aircraft is parked at the gate and the seatbelt sign is turned off. After the seatbelt sign is turned off, use caution when opening the overhead bin to prevent injury, as items tend to shift during flight. You may now use your mobile phones and other handheld electronic devices. However, laptop computers may not be used at this time. If you need assistance with the baggage claim, ground transportation, the Delta agent meeting this flight will be more than happy to assist you. On behalf of Delta and our Sky team and co-chair partners, thank you for flying with us. We have enjoyed having you on board today and look forward to serve you again soon. Thank you for your
Tropical scenery sucks.
once again, thank you, have a great day and happy holidays.